This is the new four-wheel drive. You see? It's four-wheel. When you try moving it, it's tilt. Tilt. Tilt, you see? Tilt. Tilt. Now this is the wireless motor. Now this is the twin engine. Now I'm gonna try to ride it.
It's a rider, and I'm the camera player. Man, wow, that's great. Freestyle Rhino scooter, new model 2013.
And now it's the trick part.
The tricky part.
Now it's really.
Wheelies.
Okay.
Stunts.
Finish.